In this video, I will show you the easiest and the fastest way on how to manage your repo with Git and GitHub. If you already know that you want to clone some repository from GitHub, like this one, you just click the code. Here's the copy button. You just have to click. And then you go to the Visual Studio Code. You open the new directory. Here I just opened the Git example. You open the terminal, and here are just a few commands that you have to do. So one of them is git clone, and then you paste your address that we copied before. As you can see, it's downloading all the code from this repo that we had. So the repo that I used is public, but they are also the private repos. And in that case, you have to play a little bit with your GitHub configs. But let's just split to the public ones right here, only the basics. Now, when our repo is cloned, you can see the tab on the left side here that is showing the status of the changes that we have made here. And as you can see, there are no changes made so far. And here you have the history of the commits that happened in the past. These are the commits from the repo that are already there. And to show you how to manage this, I will just edit some example file. So let's add anything right here. After editing the file, you can see that file was changed here on the left side in changes. When you double click on it, you can see the working tree, and you see that the line was added. It's in the green color. Let's add some other change, and let's see the changes again. Red means that something was deleted, and the green is showing that something new was inserted. And as you can see, number 3 was deleted and 0 was added. If you close the side panel, you can see it side by side, the first version and the new version. And if you want to revert it, you just click this arrow and changes are restored to the state that they were before. If you save it, this file is disappearing here. And I will revert this, save. And I want to show you how to commit these changes. So you have to click the plus. Changes are staged. And here you're writing the commit message. And it should be related to the changes that you made. So the port number was updated. This is the message that is describing the changes that you made. And now you hit commit to approve them. As you can see, you have the new commit. It appeared here. The port number was updated. You can see when it was made. So it was made by me right now. You have the date, time, the files that were changed, the branch, the default branch is main, and you have the ID of the commit. So you can copy it and you can always come back to these changes that you made at this point. If you click in here, you will see the changes that we made, and we can go back in the history as far as we want. And now when we have our changes done, you just click it here, and now changes are pushed to the GitHub repo. And when we come back to our GitHub repo in our main branch, you can check the commits right here. You have this clock icon with the number of commits. You just click it, and you can see the port number was updated. And this is exactly the commit I made. It's the same number. If you click on this, you will see the changes. You will see the details of the changes. And as you can see, it's exactly what we just did. And these are the basic operations that you need to know to manage your repository.